Welcome back to App Mentor. This tutorial will guide you through the process of installing Anaconda and Jupyter Notebook on Windows 11. Open your browser and go to the Anaconda download page. Select a version for Windows and click on the download button. Wait for the download to complete. Locate the downloaded Anaconda installer file. Double-click the installer to run it. On the prompt, just click Next on the welcome screen. Agree to the license agreement. Choose the installation type. Select the installation location or leave it as default. Check the box to add Anaconda to your path. Click Install to begin the installation process. Once the installation is complete, click Next and then Finish. Now let's launch Anaconda Navigator. In Anaconda Navigator, find the Jupyter Notebook icon. Click the Install button next to Jupyter Notebook. Wait for the installation process to complete, and there you have it. Thank you for tuning in to App Mentor. If this video is helpful, please don't forget to like, hit the subscribe button, and leave a comment for any suggestions. See you on the next video!